Plants face many stresses like drought, heat, and pests. Understanding how plants respond at the genetic level helps improve their survival. Transcriptome analysis is a powerful tool for this. Transcriptome analysis studies all RNA molecules in a plant cell. It shows which genes are active under stress conditions. This helps reveal how plants adjust their biology to survive challenges. 1. Collect plant samples under normal and stress conditions. 2. Extract RNA from these samples carefully. 3. Sequence the RNA to identify gene expression levels. 4. Analyze the data to find genes that change activity due to stress. Changes in gene expression often lead to visible traits or phenotypes. By linking transcriptome data with phenotype analysis, researchers can understand how genetic changes affect plant growth and stress tolerance. This knowledge guides breeding of stronger plants.